Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Plants vs. Zombies 2 to its predecessor, the original Plants vs. Zombies. We'll explore how the sequel expanded on the beloved tower defense formula, introducing new mechanics and a vast array of content. Get ready to discover the significant changes and enhancements that shaped this popular mobile title, offering a fresh take on defending your lawn from the zombie horde. Plants vs. Zombies 2 takes players on a time-traveling adventure across 11 unique worlds, from ancient Egypt to the far future. This is a substantial leap from the original's 5 worlds. You'll command an arsenal of over 150 plant and evolution species, offering triple the strategic choices. Each new world brings its own set of challenging zombies and environmental gimmicks, ensuring diverse and engaging gameplay throughout more than 300 levels. 1, 2, 3, 8. Plants vs. Zombies 2 refined core gameplay with new mechanics like plant food, offering temporary but powerful boosts, and a convenient turbo button to speed up the action. A major shift is its free-to-play model, contrasting with the original's upfront purchase. While this makes the game accessible, it also incorporates in-app purchases for exclusive plants and virtual currency, and players will encounter advertisements, which can sometimes be unskippable. 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Plants vs. Zombies 2 boasts extensive replayability with over 300 levels, challenging endless zones, and daily piñata party events. For competitive players, the Arena mode allows you to pit your planting skills against others, striving for the highest scores and climbing through various leagues. The game also benefits from continuous developer support, with frequent updates introducing new plants, zombies, and seasonal content, ensuring a consistently fresh and engaging experience for years to come. 3, 7, 8.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.